Did you know the most feared book on power ever written was actually a desperate job application? Niccolo Machiavelli served Florence for 14 years. He was a trusted diplomat, a loyal servant of the Republic. Then the Medici family returned to power in 1512. He was arrested, tortured on a device called the strappado, which pulled his arms behind his back until his shoulders gave way. Then they threw him out, exiled to a small farm with nothing. And from that farm, broken and humiliated, he wrote The Prince in a matter of months. He sent it directly to the Medici, the same men who had destroyed him, not as a philosophy, as a cover letter. Please hire me. I am still useful. They never called. So the coldest, most ruthless manual for political power ever written came not from a man with everything, but from a man with nothing left to lose. That changes everything about how you read it, because desperation, it turns out, can look a lot like genius.